We are an insurance company in terms of all the capabilities we can provide across all functional lines. It's just that we won't support on any form of distribution or taking any capital risk. The spirit of that comment is more to reflect that we function like our insurance reinsurance partners. We understand the requirements on a functional aspect across the spectrum, and we work in a manner wherein we put our hat on as an insurer always while providing the service, and not like a service provider who just cares about, okay, here's your IT solution, take it, you're happy, I don't care what is going on with your expense ratio or loss ratio. We think like an insurance company, we think like our partners, and that's why we describe it like that. US is our biggest client base, then it would be London, and the third would be Sydney. And while we do work with insurers in Asia and South Africa, their penetration is not as much, and our expertise is largely in these three geographies which I described: the US, London, and Sydney. For companies that wish to enter the markets where an Xceedance already operating, and we can provide a lot of benefits by providing them insights related to that market, which could be around regulatory requirements, finance and accounts kind of requirements, the product, how it is defined, more insight into how the ecosystem works, not only from an operational perspective, but also from a technology landscape perspective. At an industry level, I think there is a bigger role to play, because there is a tremendous amount of rework which is happening in the industry on similar things. When a broker sends a submission to various underwriters at various companies, the level of work which is happening on that, I would say between 50 to 80% is similar across various entities. Depending on the line of business, the kind of complexity, the last mile is wherein each company's unique underwriting strategy or the underwriter's capabilities towards identifying that risk and selection around it comes into question. Insurance industry is going to be very different 5 to 10 years from now. It's going to be more technology and data-driven companies. We see the role of Xceedance as a company trying to help bridge that change, bridge that divide. At a company-wide level, what an insurance company can do is use a company like Xceedance to identify what are the best practices which are happening across the world, which are the best technology initiatives to adopt. I mean, it is not in the interest of an insurance company to invest in technology research and development. That's our job.